Hey everyone, welcome to FOAP App, alright? This app is available on both Google Play and the App Store, got it? Basically, it lets us make money by selling our photos, okay? You access the platform, which has a marketplace system with rewards, right? There's a section where you do what brands request, like a specific photo or one for a contest, and you upload there, and there are various tasks, the typical ones where you complete them, get paid, and that's it. Then there are contests to win, I guess, for selected entries, yeah? It's on Google Play with a 2.7 rating from 37,700 reviews. I guess it has 2.7 stars because it's probably tough to make money. Then we have FOAP, which has a 4.4 rating with 729 reviews in the App Store, right? Let's check the reviews. The app concept is good, but it's full of issues. Profile and cover photos change on their own. Sales don't show in the sales section. Servers fail. Can't view profiles or news. It's a bit, plus it's full of scammers promising to buy photos or feet pics outside the app. 1 star for quick customer service, another for the concept. If no solution, take action and edit this review. Look, there's their response, see? They apologize for the occasional issues and such. I like the app. Just started, no earnings yet, but here are some notes if they help. The app crashes quite often. When rating photos, it freezes and closes. You know what I think? The app is optimized for App Store, hence the high rating. They've ported it to the Play Store, but it needs more optimization there. I'm not sure when exactly. It was released, but these reviews are from 2023, so it's been out for a while, huh? I didn't receive my due payment. I've made great sales on the platform, but for over a year they've cited payment system issues when I try to collect. Please contact our support team to receive any payment. I'm confident we can help. They've responded to him, and they responded earlier. This guy posted the review on July 12th, but they replied on July 8th. I don't quite get it. He says, I've contacted you multiple times about this issue with no resolution. I guess he edited his review because they still haven't paid him, right? Okay, we need to keep that in mind. So let this serve as a bit of a review for you, alright? It's really difficult to earn coins, and the app crashes and closes. It seems it's more geared towards the App Store, you know? And maybe Android users have a slightly worse experience, although I should also mention it has 5 million downloads on Play Store. App Store doesn't show download numbers, or at least I can't find them, but it's probably similar. So there you have it, okay? Do I recommend using these platforms? Well, it could be an interesting way. Thing is, I'm not a photographer, so I don't see much appeal. If you're a photographer with lots of photos or enjoy photography as a hobby, it might be worthwhile, right? But clearly it's far from a viable business model, so that's all I've got for you.